Here's my Lego Technic MazdaSpeed3. Get over it, it's ugly. And it doesn't even look much like a MazdaSpeed3. However, what's more important to me is that it is tiny. Look at the size of that wheel. 9 studs wide. Remote for comparison. It's powered by my little camera battery there. Small enough to fit in such a small model. Got a receiver back there. This servo motor here uses its rear output to steer a simple little racking pinion. Works quite well. This large motor here is geared 36 to 8 there, using some irregular spacing to get the perfect ratio, and then faster back here. So I think it's like 1 to 6, 1 to 7 or so. It's pretty quick. I'll get some video of it driving here. Let's see how my mini Mazda of extreme ugliness does in its native environment. A gym. Again, as I often end up doing with models like this, I'm driving it one-handed while filming with the other. So it's a bit harder if I'm decidedly not professional on this. Alright, let's do a lap. My goal is to stay on this side of the blue line. Brings back memories of driving my Veloster N-Type in here. It was so drift happy, you could hardly get through the corners without having to, like, do way more driving than you should. Nothing isn't quite so bad. Or fun, depending on your perspective. Something's changed. It was not this slow before. Turned out that this here was rubbing the wheel. Easy enough fix. Alright, let's go. Time for another round of poor driving and poor filming. I think the battery's starting to get run down. This little camera battery just doesn't have the juice of bigger ones. But, hey, it's small. It's worth it. So, it should be pretty obvious that this car is downright ugly. It's pretty much no redemption, except, like, one view from the front is okay. That one there actually kind of looks like a Mazda. But, anyways. Other than that, its performance is, it's alright, especially when the battery is up. But really, I'm just happy to have built a car this small. I mean, those wheels are tiny. I've never seen a Technic car this small before. It may exist, but I haven't seen it. So, just that alone makes it satisfying to me. Yeah, too bad that all this, the mechanicals protruding everywhere make it hard to make it look good. Especially because I don't want to make it heavier than it needs to be. And there's probably a degree of my laziness causing a little, well, some of it. But, anyways, I'm glad I've built this.